Hi there, my name is Khan and I'm with Plumbing Connection, the plumbing company. We're doing a trenchless sewer replacement in Hayward, California. We're pulling about a 50 feet sewer lateral from the property line to the sidewalk. It's a simple process. We dig a point A by the property line and we dig a point B by the sidewalk, and we replace the entire sewer line in the ground. This is a hydraulic ram which pulled the pipe through the existing pipe, and you can see the ram is going up and down and is pulling the pipe. Well, let us know if you need help with the trenchless sewer replacement. We pull all permits. We do job by the city codes. And we will definitely help you out. We have a 5-star reviews on Yelp, and our phone number is 510-376-7